On today's menu, I'm going to show you how to make a decadent smash burger stacked with tender Worcestershire caramelized onions, a tangy spread that's loaded with fresh herbs, bubbly melted provolone, a venison hamburger patty from Maui Nui that is absolutely incredible, and it's all sandwiched between a rosemary dressed bun. As always, ingredients are in my description box if you want to follow along. Now let's get into the recipe. First up on the prep list is the caramelized onions. So slice up your yellow onions about as thin as you can get them with your knife, then get a saute pan on medium to high heat with a generous splash of avocado oil in it and add in your sliced onions. Season with salt and give them a good stir. After a few minutes, there should be some caramelization on the bottom of the pan and some on the onions that you want to deglaze with a little water. Once the water evaporates, let the onions develop another layer of caramelization and deglaze again with some more water. Repeat this process 2 or 3 more times until they're a dark golden brown, then finish that last deglazing with Worcestershire and a splash of balsamic vinegar. Season with cracked black pepper, then set them aside until you're ready to use. Next up is the herb spread. So you're going to chop up some Italian parsley into relatively small pieces. Then you're going to finely slice the chives and then chop up some freshly picked rosemary into small pieces as well. Add the fresh herbs to the mayonnaise along with Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, and a good amount of fresh cracked black pepper. Give it a good mix and refrigerate until you are ready to use it. This is a good time to dress your burger buns with a little bit of olive oil, rosemary, and black pepper to really add a unique touch to a unique style smash burger. Just make sure to give these a toasting in the broiler before you assemble the burger. Now, for the patties, like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be using Maui Nui's ground venison meat that is really a wonderful product to work with and is packed with lean protein, so you don't have to feel too guilty about burger night. Ball them up into 4-ounce portions and generously season with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. You're going to sear these off in a pan that's on high heat with a good splash of oil in it, and make sure to only get a really good caramelized sear on one side. You kind of want to make these a medium rare. Touch the other side for about 10 to 15 seconds, then remove them from the pan. Since I'm making a double here, I'll add a little caramelized onions in between to amp it up just a little bit. Then it's time to assemble the burger. First goes down the toasty bun with a good amount of the herb spread, then the smashed patties. Top that with a slice of provolone cheese and you're going to torch it to perfection. Add a layer of caramelized onions and top that with another toasty rosemary bun to finish. This burger is absolutely loaded with rich flavors from the deeply caramelized onions. A nice tangy and refreshing herb flair with the spread, and the Maui Nui venison really makes it something special in the saturated world of smash burgers. This can be easily replicated with your favorite ground beef of choice, but I highly recommend trying out some of Maui Nui's products if you feel inspired by this preparation. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, drop a comment, hit that share button. As always, I'll see you guys next time with another video, and in the meantime, stay creative in the kitchen. Later, everybody.